e tai atu ana mātou ki a koutou i ngā riki, ki a whina mai, o ngā rā ki muri, tai mai i tēnei haura. O mai te taro kia piki te ora te kaha te maramatanga ki a tātou, kia tau no tau mana ki tangakirungi a mātou, me tō rangi Māori e mā te māngai anō hei a whina mai, hei tautoko mai, ai anei, āke nei, ai. E noho tātou. Nā reira, hoki nā whakaro ki a rātau māko wehe atu. Ko tau te hukapapa i te marae o Tongoriro. Atuku nā aroha, ak te whare ariki, a tū whare tō, a tātou rangatira, a tā timu te hiu hiu. O tai e i te taha o tana pāpā, a tana rahinga. Me ngā mate huhua, ka hoki nā mahara, te tahi o ngā mate ki a JB Hepiri. Nāna te tahi o ngā rangatira, pau tika o roto i te whare, te mai oha i te tai whenua hira taunga. Me te tahi asi, ko Papa Fred Reti, te tahi o nā pau tika anō. Me ngā mate huhua, huri noi te rohe rohe nei. Nō reire nā mate o tēnā whare, o tēnā whare, nei rā te reo kia koutou e ngā mate, haere, whakangaro atu rā. Rātau kia rātau, tātau kia tātau, e ngā mana i ngā rero, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātau.
Kia ora koutou, welcome. Welcome to this evening's celebrations, our pō ngāhau this evening to celebrate Te Tai Whenua Heretaunga in their 40 years. So last week we celebrated the 40th birthday or anniversary of Te Tai Whenua Heretaunga. This evening's a celebration to share with you, our community, for you, our whānau, to just be entertained this evening. So without further ado, enjoy tonight's festivities and continue to enjoy the services that Te Tai Whenua Heretaunga enjoy bringing out to the community. Kia ora.
Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, huri noi tō tātou whare tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei pō whakanui, whakamānawa i te tai whenua o Heretaunga. Ko mātai rangi Smitha Hau, nōku te whakamānawa, nōku te honore, kia tū au hei kai whakataki i tēnei pō. Nā reira, ngā mihi matakui kia koutou katoa, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa. We're not going to worry about the All Blacks. Even though it's 2017 at halftime, we will not. We will not even talk about the rugby tonight. It is all about this brilliant celebration. Celebrating 40 years of Te Tai Whenua o Heretaunga, 40 years of service, aroha, and dedication to our people. We are here to honour them, and we are here to share in the stories, the music, the laughter, and the memories. Since its beginnings in 1985, Te Tai Whenua o Heretaunga has stood as a pillar, he pou, of strength for whānau, from health and education to social services to supporting the growth of te reo Māori and tikanga here in Aotearoa. It has carried the hopes of the people, ensuring the well-being of generations. Nā reira, let's get into it e te whānau. Are we all ready for a good night? Ka rawe. I tell you what, I couldn't think of a better group to get this night started. Ngāti Kahungunu Taikura was established back in 2005 by the late Tamahuata as a kaupapa for our kaumātua, aged 55 years and over, to maintain and uplift the culture. And each year, Taikura proudly take the stage, hei whakakanohi a tātou, at He Kura Te Tangata in Pōneke Te Whanganui Ātara, carrying the spirit and traditions of Ngāti Kahungunu with them. They continue to welcome new whānau. Yes, I think they are starting to do a muster. You see those pānui up on Facebook for all the kapahaka, they start having a muster. They continue to welcome new whānau who are interested in joining this kaupapa, and every Tuesday evening from 6 till 7, they gather to Prakatihi to share in waiata and to celebrate their whakapapa together. So without any further ado, please give us a warm welcome to our first performance of the night, Ngāti Kaungunu Taikura.
Kia ora mai rā koutou. Ua kōrero i te kōrero, me tika ke tua tu mātou te nihi atu ki a kōtou tēnei wā, ane rā hoki o kōtou raupu taikura o Ngāti Kahungunu ka whakangāhau atu ki a kōtou te maumahare whātakau tau o te taiwhino o Here Taunga-Noreira. Tēnā kōtou, kia ora mai rā tātou.
Ai, me paki paki tātou ka tika. Give them another big round of applause. Kia ora te whānau, how are we doing down there? They put me in these flash seats. Kind of reminds me of those old men from the Muppets. What were their names? Or the tamariki going, what's the Muppets? Anyway, do we remember their names? I do. We and Wah. Statler and Wardorf. Yeah, ka pai. There we go. All right, let's get into our next rōpū. Now, I was wondering if this possibly was a typo, because they're called the Mafia Dance Family. I thought it was the Mahia Dance Family. But I think I'm wrong. Anyway, let's give it up. Please don't try this at home, by the way. Do not try this at home. This is hip hop. You might need a hip hop if you try it at home. Paki paki atu.
What? Hey, let's go. What's that click that you going on east side? Or what's that click that you represent west side? Or what's that click that you going on north side? Or what's that click that you represent south side? Well, get drunk in it, shake your dreads in it. I get drunk in it, throw some balls in it. Now throw your click up, say high in the sky. Now throw your board up, high in the sky. Now throw your burr up, hey, high in the sky. Now throw your jets up, high in the sky.
Rob the jewelry store and tell him make me a grill. Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yo, we about to start an epidemic with this one. Yeah, I know what this is. So, yeah.
Mami, a mí me gusta tu descendencia entera.
De la mamá 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 de la mamá.
She like, I poppy, ay, I poppy, ay. You see me, you stop me, ay. I see you, I chop it. Diablo, mami.
Dale con tu bla bla bla, con tu bla bla bla.
Attention, please, attention, please. Bust the rhyme now, MOP now. What you want now? 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 What you want? No, that fool. They wanna act stupid. That fool. When I cock that tune. Hit him, yeah, boom, yeah, boom, yeah, boom, yeah, boom, yeah, boom. Yeah. Scat star jump. Dirty. Yeah. Come on.
It's up in the morning, girl, and the DJ playing that song. Now what you gonna do?
I'm a diva. 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 I'm a diva.
Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track.
We tell them. Mash up the place. Oh my. Hey, watch out for this, are the maddest lyrics. Mash up the place, but you are not for this. Yo, me nah miss #1 funny list. The girl them a twist waistline can't resist. Hey,
So Max got set on.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Muito barulho na festa, muito barulho na festa, muito barulho na cama, muito barulho, muito barulho na casa, muito barulho na casa. Vamos lá, toma, ei! Solo. Muito barulho na festa.
This ain't gonna be easy. You got it. You got it. Put it in. Get it, baby, get it, baby, get it. Do it, baby, do it, baby, get it. Get it, baby, get it. Do it, baby, do it, baby, get it. Go hard. Get it, baby, get it. Do it, baby, do it, baby, get it. Don't come around and people let me down. You gotta get it all the way in. I wanna see you work.
I'm blonde, skinny, rich. I am so fat.
Turn, spin, front, post, spin, post, spin, eat it, big shot, make him eat it, big shot. Girl, you got the chop. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
Playboy, I said play, I don't even say, she wanna give it to me out the door. Cause it's this girl, me like she love it. She got it, I bet she tipped the hotel.
This a the new thing a shot. Party out, then me a mash up in a that. Droppy and a bubble and a sit down and squat. Droppers, watch me style, new thing a shot.
Yes, goody! Are you back for your win? For your win, are you back for your win, girl? Are you back for your win? For your win, are you back for your win, girl? Back it up, girl, show me how you work that, girl. Cock it up, girl, show me how you work that. Bring that fat boom boom, let me touch that, girl. Come give me that quick, right? Are you back for your win? For your win, are you back for your win, girl?
Look, won't y'all take off your jackets? What's your name, baby? Word? Okay. Tell your friend right here. It's my man Buster. Move, girl, like it on fire. Like it on fire. Move, girl, like it on fire. Like it on fire.
Fly gal, get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair done.
Now, baby, come on. Ain't that love you never let me feel? I should have known. You know I gotta let it go. And you know I'm out of love. Set me free. Let me out this misery. Just show me the way to get my life again. You can handle me. Said I'm out of love. Can't you see? Baby, you gotta set me free. I'm out
I mean, it don't mind, baby, now. Baby, don't mind, baby, now. I tell you how that's like you stepping on your cat. I tell you how that when you stepping when you cat. I turn it on, my baby, don't you come here. I turn it on, my baby, check it.
Yeah. They ain't gonna like you. They ain't gonna like me. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody If it ain't quarter mil, the whip, I don't want it, but to make it sick to the stomach, I be getting to the money.
Left side again.
Yeah.
TJ. Your body girl, them DJ.
Michael Rankia. Power.
Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, beg you one more time, beg you. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, beg you one more time. Back it up on me properly. Body in the real estate, you got the property. Shake your money maker, yeah. Monopoly, that wine and no day you feel free. It's a no charity. Come again, yeah. I really like it when you clap that. When you throw it, I got it up like quack quack. And go on Instagram 'cause I'm ready to tap that.
Look back at it when you just put your paws up. Cause you were born this way, baby.
Ik sliep in achtste wie klaar. Ik schat bij maand bij monster. Alles wie vlagen. Ik sliep in achtste wie klaar. Ik schat bij maand bij monster. Alles wie vlagen. We gaan niet uitgebracht werden. Alles wie klaar. Ik schat bij het monster. Alles wie vlagen. Fräulein, wish you be klaar.
Bring it to the runway.
Warning. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Gotta get that.
I'll be rocking in. Here we go. Satellite radio, y'all get hit with the boom, boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun. Y'all get hit with the boom, boom. Get hit with the boom, boom. Y'all get hit with the.
Yeah. Check it out. See, the only thing you need to do right here is just nod your freaking head. Yeah. Break your freaking neck, boy. Yeah. Here we go now. Where we going now? Give it away now. Give it away now. Just give it away. So nod your head and break your neck. Come on. Break your neck. Come on. Bang your head until you start to break your neck. Come on. Break your neck. Come on. Break your neck. Come on. Break your neck. Come along now.
Another big round of applause. Hawati te Baki Baki. You know, the interesting thing from this point of view is watching all the nannies down there, watching that. Sort of sitting there going, whatever happened to the good old waltz and the bus stop? My goodness me, I couldn't even remember one of those moves, let alone 20 of them. Give them another big round of applause. That is awesome. Also, just to let you know, they started back in 2019 with just 6 tamariki. They've grown into a powerhouse, as you've seen, with over 200 rangatahi now. Yeah, kia pai mai hoki ne, 200 kids. They consist of competitive crews, development crews, and beginner classes for our community. There you go, there's your invite. Proving that passion, talent, and hustle always rise to the top. So if you've got moves or you just want to learn, Term 4 enrollments are now open. Find them on Facebook and Instagram and join the family that makes waves in the hip-hop scene. Ka-pai. Right, haere tonu a tātou mahi. Experience the electrifying energy of X3. Might even be times 3. Why? Because Hawke's Bay's newest singing trio delivers breathtaking harmonies and unforgettable performances covering everything from classic rock to Motown to country, pop and old school. Give it up for Times 3!
Hey! How you guys doing? We headed to celebration tonight, y'all. So we're gonna get it started. Put your hands together, come on. Boy, hey! It's my favorite thing. Woo! Yeah. Oh, I can't wait till I see you again. Come on, here we go. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just boogie with you, yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just boogie with you. I wanna do it till the sun comes up. Yeah, hey, come on. I wanna do it till I can't get enough. All together now. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. Yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just boogie with you. Hey, come on, y'all. Okay, all the people up the front go like this. Are you cool? Come on, raise your hand. Yay! Come on, y'all, let's sing. Here we go. I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just boogie with you. Yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Hey, come on. Just boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just boogie with you. Come on, y'all. We're here to party with y'all. Woo, come on.
We're taking it back to the 70s now. A little bit of Toto.
Y'all gotta have to do better than that. Come on, y'all. Put your hands together. Help keep the beat for us, y'all.
I hear the drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you.
Here we go. It's gonna take a lot to take me away from you. There's nothing but 100 men on board could ever do.
I'll bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. Hey, come on. The wild dogs cry out in the night as they go restless, longing for some solitary company. I know that I must do what's right, sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus above the Serengeti.
Come on, don't give up, yo.
I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. Hey, hey, hey.
It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing but 100 men on thank you for having us here tonight. Happy anniversary, happy 40th year. Too much. All right, guys, I'm so unfit, so you guys are going to have to help me with this song. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. You know you love me. I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. We an item, what we playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? Said there's another that's looking in my eye. My first love broke my heart. Here we go. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Oh, for you, I would have done whatever, and I just can't believe we're here together. And I wanna play it cool, but I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you everything. Now I'm in pieces, baby, fix me, and just shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. Going down, 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 and I just can't believe my first love won't be around, and I'm like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Here we go. Luda, when I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody could ever come above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. I didn't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound. I skip a beat when I see her in the street and school on the playground. But I really want to see her on the weekend. She knows she's got me daily, 'cause she is so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, 'cause I just keep on saying, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Hey, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 no, baby, 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 no, but you'll always be mine. Thank you so much for having us tonight. Massive congratulations, shout out, 40th celebration. Tetai Whenua, thank you. Gone, gone, we're gone. Thank you. Thank you.
How awesome were they? Give it up for times 3. Auntie in the black and white there, what's your name? What's her name? Auntie Auntie Ranty 879. Okay, Auntie Ranty 879. Can we just have some lights? Because we need to see, like, seriously. You know, we saw all those rangatahi doing dance moves. They got nothing on you. Can we just have a quick look at your Auntie Ranty 879 kind of... No pressure. We got a track there somewhere. Just give us any play. Whatever track, yes, just roll. You need music. Oh, we can organise music. We got a couple of minutes. By the way, whilst we're just finding that track, do you want to hear the... Ooh. Let's go, let's go. Everybody up, everybody up!
Unemployment.
We've recorded that. We're gonna make it go viral. Social media, I tell you. All right, what's that? Sorry, Auntie Ranty? You'll have to pay me now. Sounds like another job. Anyway, now, would you like to know the score, or are you looking at... Okay, those that don't want to know the score, put your fingers in your ears. I can tell you now that there are... There's 2 minutes left in the game. 24 to Australia, and 33 to the All Blacks. I'm pretty sure I said at the beginning we're not really here for the All Blacks, Stefano. Now, Entertainment Plus is coming up next. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friend of mine, we had a bit of a catch-up, bit of a reunion backstage. He first rose to stardom as one of the iconic, the Laughing Samoans. And he has gone on to become one of the most recognizable Samoan comedy talents today. On screen, he was in a series of Taskmaster and Moana 2 as Nalo, the God of Storms. Now, the unassuming Polynesian king of comedy, there he is up on the screen, is back with a brand new show. It's called Shush Your Mouth. Shush your mouth. He can do it better than me. He muses on all the things that are important to a man in his 50s, his Samoan wife, whānau, and how crossing half a century changes you. He's here tonight to share that Pacifica humour that we've all come to love. Please welcome to Here Taunga, Tofinga!
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you used to stand-up comedy. We'll do some sit-down comedy tonight. Kia ora whānau. Ko te whinga taku ingoa. Ko papasa tau a ha mō taku iwi. Ko I will never climb taku maunga. Ko e New Zealand taku wakati hei Māori ora. Great to see everyone here tonight. Not that I can, because all of you are black, but it's great to be here in Hastings. Been a while since I've been back at this beautiful theatre, but really looking forward to tonight, some great entertainment. But look, I'm in a great mood this evening because the last few months I've been doing a bit of training and trying to get a bit more healthier. So I weighed myself this morning, and guess what? I have lost my scales. I can't remember where I put it. Maybe I was standing on them, but my puku was in the way, so I couldn't see it. Great to have everyone here because it's quite crazy to think that, only a few years ago, when we had COVID, we couldn't, gather like this in these numbers. It changed many things in life. For example, I remember I used to travel heaps before COVID. And then we had those lockdowns, and it was like 6 weeks, and I was like, oh man, the family time was priceless. I loved it. And then they added more weeks to the lockdown, and I thought, man, I love my family. but not that much, you know. It got to a stage where I wake up in the morning and I'll turn over my bed and be like, oh, no, not your face again, you know. And it did change a lot of things in life. Remember, before COVID, you would cough to cover your fart. But then when COVID hit, you would fart to cover your cough. You know, so there were a lot of changes. Another thing that a lot of you probably don't know about me is I'm an only child. What is not common in Samoan families. You know, we usually like to hit the double digits. You know, it can help with government funding and things like that. So for me, growing up, it was very different. You know, like, for example, mum and dad, they were onto it. Because before they got married, they bought a house back in the early 70s. $11,000 for a house back then. So they bought this house, 3-bedroom house, and because the insulation of these older houses wasn't that good, 9 months later, I was born. And then, so it was the three of us in this 3-bedroom house, and then my mum brought over one of her siblings from Samoa, and my dad thought, oh, okay, it's like that. So he brought one of his brothers, and then they just kept coming over. You know, it's like, oh, not another one, you know, and it just kept coming. There was about 12 of us in this 3-bedroom house. Sometimes it got so packed we had to sleep standing up. And all I knew growing up was like Samoan. You know, the people that I grew up with were Samoan. The language was Samoan. Church was Samoan. Our food was Chinese. And I remember from 0 to 5, all I could speak was Samoan. So going to school was like some fob kid, you know, just come from Samoa. My English wasn't that good. And I couldn't wait to start because Palangis, I only saw Palangis on TV or my next door neighbor, things like that. But when I see them going to church in the car, I wanted to touch their hair, talk to them, get to know one. So when I started school, I couldn't wait. Went to school, everyone was like, hey man, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I was like, yeah, God bless, God bless. God. But, you know, my English got better. The more regular I went to school 2 days a week. And then I started making friends. You know, I had Parangi friends, had Maori friends, had my cousins at school, Indian friends, Asian friends. And some friends I kept close, others not so close, depending on what they brought for lunch. And I remember, you know, as I was growing up, me and school didn't mix too well, so my report, you know, wasn't too good. And my cousins would tease me. They'd be like, hey, Finger, did you go to school just to eat your lunch? I was like, man, you guys are sad. You know, that really hurts me. I also went there to eat my friend's lunch. So, you know, as I was growing up, I remember I had my best friend was a guy named John. He lived at 3 houses down from my house. But I remember when I was young, I was about 11 years old. There was always a question I had at the back of my mind. I wanted to ask my mum. I come home from school, she said, Finger, you finished school? I said, yes, Mum. I said, Mum, I want to ask you this question. Why did you and Dad choose just to have one child when all your siblings have heaps of kids? You guys come from big families. My mum, she's got like 11 in her family, but then she's got the half brothers and sisters as well, which made a total of about 56. Because my granddad, my mum's dad, he was like a really nice guy. You know, he was very community focused, very hands-on. And I would say to my mum, hey, Mum, your dad, granddad, he was like a farmer. She said, what do you mean? I said, you know, he'll go to different villages and plant seeds. So I asked my mum, why did you and Dad choose just to have one child? And then my mum said, Finger, sit down. She was cooking in the kitchen. And I asked her once again, Mum, why did you choose just to have one child? I looked at my mum, she had a tear come down from her eye. I mean, where else does it come from? And, you know, my mum said to me, Finger, the reason why I have one children is because look at you. How can I have more children when you eat more than 10 children? And when my mom said that, it shattered my heart into one piece. I was so broken, I ran. This was the first time I ever ran away from home. Okay, I walked away from home, and I looked down the street and I thought, man, that's a long street. So I went back inside and thought, nah, it's the thought that counts. You know? I went back inside because it was almost lunchtime. Anyway, back to my Palangi friend. My Palangi friend, one of the reasons why he was my best friend, not only did he live 3 houses down from my house, but he also had the latest toys. And I saw an ad on TV, it was Chewbacca, new Star Wars toys. And I thought, man, I'm going to ask my mate if he's got one, go play at his house. Got to school the next day, I said, John, you got the new Chewbacca? He said, yeah. And I said, I come to your house to play. And then this is what John said to me. Yeah, aku ula onga ka o ila whare ka aluai. It was Samoan Language Week. So we went to John's house. And the rule at John's house is he's always the good guy, I'm the bad guy. So we're playing with the toys. Every time he shoots me, I have to die. So he goes, pew, pew. I'm like, But what he doesn't know is that every time he's shooting me, I'm like, and I'm taking a toy. And even when he's not shooting me, I'm like, he said, I didn't shoot you. I said, just in case. So we're playing at home. This is where I realized that the Samoan way wasn't the only way of life. There were other people did things different from Samoans. So we're sitting there, we're playing away, and then all I could hear was, John! It's John's mum. John, Johnny boy, honey bun, sugar pop, sweetie pie. She called out John's name like 8 times. And I was like, what? Because in my house, you only get called once. Finger, yo! I could be asleep. Finger, yo! I could be in the bathroom. Finger, yo! So when John wasn't responding, I was like, what's this? Man, John, you're my hero. So John's mum comes to the room. She's standing there. You could tell she was embarrassed and angry as well. She was angry John wasn't responding and embarrassed that there was a guest in the house. And she said, John, I've called your name out numerous times. Why haven't you responded? Why haven't you responded? And I was looking at John's mum and I was like, oh, wow. I said, what's going to happen here? Then she said, John, I want you to tell your friend Tifanifi to go back home. I said, oh, it's Tufinga. She said, oh, I'm sorry, Tufanufu, you can go back to your house. And then this is what shocked me. She goes, John, and John goes, what? I was like, whoa, yeah, exactly. Because I was thinking, if my mum said to me, Finga, I went, what? The next time you visit me, there'll be an IV bottle hanging up here. I'll be like, we are gathered here today. So I was looking at John, I was like, wow, John, whoo. So I thought John was going to get hiding. So I started packing away the toys, make way, make some room. And then John's mum did something I've never seen before. She said, John, I'm sick and tired of this. You've got my knickers in a twist. And being a young Samoan boy, I was like, what's that, knickers in a twist? And then she said, John, I want you to go sit down and face the wall. Count to 10, think about the consequences and the ramifications and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, what is this? If my mum said to me, Finger, face the wall, count to 10, blah, blah, and I'll be like, So I never heard of this before, never seen this before. I couldn't sleep at night. I went to school the next day, I told my cousins, I said, hey, I was at John's house last night. He yelled at his mum, and his mum just told him to sit in the corner and count to 10. And they all started laughing. They were like, suddenly this is the Palangi way. I said, what? I said, it's the Palangi way. I said, what do you mean? I said, that's called time out. I was like, time out? Us Samoans, we don't do time out. We do a knockout. And it doesn't matter what room in the house, it's just boom. Yeah, son, think about it. Huh? Tell me what you think when you wake up tomorrow morning. But see, this is the thing that people don't realize, is that the Samoan way, there's a science behind Samoan discipline. Yeah, you can study at the university. There's a science behind Samoan discipline. Not only is it physical, it's psychological. Because after they give you the physical, they play with your mind. It's like, boom! And they play with your mind by asking you questions like, why you crying? And you're like, are you serious, man? I think I'm crying because the 2x4 hit my head over here, and now my teeth are all over here. Now, do you think that's a good reason why I'm crying? You know, the time I was raised old school, so this was all new to me, this stuff, you know, that time out. This other night, I was at John's house, and something must have happened before I got there. We were having dinner. We only had one serving. And as we were eating, it was time for ice cream. And John's mum said, John, eat your ice cream. And you could tell he was angry at something. And then he said something to his mum. I don't know what he said to him, but his mum said, you know what, John, I've had enough. Go to your room, no dinner for you tonight. And I was like, man, that's the worst child abuse I ever seen in my life. Us Samoans, you can get a really good hiding, but after a good hiding, it's like, okay, that's enough crying. Come and have something to eat now, son. Hey, pick up your teeth first before you finish off your dinner. So it haunted me that whole time. And I thought, man, so I was learning all these new things, you know, growing up. I remember I always thought to myself, you know, when I have kids, I'm never going to discipline them the way that I got disciplined. But there were two ways. You might think it's funny when I say this. I either got physical discipline or I got the lectures. I would rather have the physical discipline. The reason why, because the lectures, my dad's stories, his lectures would go round and around and then go reverse and then take a shortcut and then go and end up, we'll never come back to where we're supposed to, you know. His stories were all over the place. And I'll be sitting there like, can you just kick me in the face, Dad? Just something, knock me out or something. It'll go on and on and on. And I remember I was playing at John's house one time. And the old days, back in my days growing up, we always had devotion in our family about 5 o'clock in the evening, right? Everyone, we have our devotion, our prayer time, and then we have dinner all together. Now, when the street lights come on, it's 6 o'clock, so I know it's too late. So that was the rule. 5 o'clock, got to be home before 5. Back in the days, didn't have cell phones, didn't have a watch, no tablet or anything, smart, whatever, to find out what the time was. The only way I could tell the time was by the sun, the stars, and the tide, because my ancestors were voyagers. You're welcome. So I'm playing at John's house. And I was playing hard out, but I knew there was something wrong with his trampoline because I was always touching the ground. So we're playing hard out, and I look up at the clouds and I could tell by the shape of it, it was only 3:46 p.m. And I thought, oh yeah, still got a bit of time, just over an hour. Playing hard out with John again, and I could tell by the way that the birds were flying backwards, it was 4:56. Only a few more minutes to go. But I enjoyed it so much at John's house, I kept playing it. By the next time I looked up, the lights were on, the street lights were on. And I thought, oh no, I'm going to get it when I get home. And when I knew I was going to get in trouble, I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to play hard out for a little bit longer. Might as well make it worth it, you know? So I played it until about 9 o'clock at night. But I had a plan. My plan was I was going to ask John to walk me home so that when my dad sees John, he's not going to give me a hiding. He's going to see this Palangi kid. Because he knows the Palangi kid will ring up the police. So I said, John, can you drop me off home? He said, yeah. So we went up, and I was so happy. I had a good play. And now time to go and face the music. I knock on the door, and all we could hear was, Figa! Whakarkari e opa mawawe. Filme whakari loko e whani loko angai ka whao. Who was that? That's my dad. What did he say? He missed me? Just as my dad was coming to the door, he picked up the broom and he had it up like this. He opened the door, he saw me, saw John, and then he started sweeping the ceiling. He goes, oh, it's dirty up here, is it? Is it? And then I thought, yes, I got out of it. I thought, yeah, I'm sweet. Bye, John. But my dad had another idea. He goes, Finger, come inside. You, come inside. Come inside, James Cook. So me and James Cook went inside the house. When we got into the house, there's a chair. It's what we call the lecture chair. And when my dad sat down on it, that's where we all get electrocuted. My dad sat down in that chair and I thought, oh no, gonna get a lecture. And I was more worried now, not only because the stories go all over the place, the fact that John was there, he's gonna say it in English. And his English is terrible. So he sat us down. He said, Finger, James, I got the story I'm going to tell you. It's going to change your life. You're never going to be late ever again in your whole of your life. Whole of your life. And I was like, oh no. Then my dad's story started. Once upon a time, there was a millionaire. Oh, he had so much money. He was so millionaire, he had a heap and heap of money. One day, his son was born. He drove all the way to the hospital. When he arrived to the hospital, he picked up his baby boy. He said to his baby boy, oh, son, are you okay? Are you all right? And the baby said, and the father was like, oh, you stupid baby. Baby, I'm coming back. I'm going to just be 5 minutes. The father was going to the bathroom. 7 years later, he come back. The baby is now 11 years old. The millionaire said to his son, son, today is your birthday. What do you want for your birthday? Son said, Dad, all I want is just a big, weird, bouncy ball. A what? A big, weird, bouncy ball. Okay, son, I get you that one. The millionaire goes shopping, come back, he bring in PlayStation, TV, a hotel, aeroplane. What do you think, son? Happy birthday. Dad, all I want was just a big, weird, bouncy ball. Oh, okay. Okay, son. Next time. I'm just going to the office, come back. 10 years later, the millionaire come back. His son is now 27. He graduated from university. He said to his son, son, congratulations. I'm so proud to you. Anything you want, I get it for your graduation. Dad, all I've ever wanted is just a big, red, bouncy ball. A what? A big, red, bouncy ball. Okay. Is that it? Is that it? Millionaire was go shopping. Come back, he buy him a railway station, a hotel, Ferrari, Lamborghini, all this thing, million things. Dad, all I wanted was just a big red bouncy ball. Don't you understand it? The son was so angry. He grabbed the keys to the Lamborghini and he drove away in his Ferrari. The millionaire received a phone call. Hello?
Hello? Is this Mr. Millionaire?
Yeah, this Mr. Who's this? This is the police.
The what?
The police.
Oh, yeah? What's happened?
Your son has been in a gargrass.
In a what?
In a gargrass.
Okay. So where's my son?
In the gargrass.
Oh, no! He hung up the phone, and then the millionaire grabbed the keys to his car, and he go in his boat. When he arrived to the gargrass, the father was so upset. He cried, and he cried. He woke up to the car was split in half. He grabbed the top half of his son, because his son was half caste. He grabbed the top half of his son and said, son, don't die to me, son, don't die. Anything you want, I give for you, son. His son said, Dad, all I want is a big, red, bouncy. And then my dad said, and then he died. And I was looking at him like, and? John looked at me and said, man, your dad's a big idiot, man. He's an idiot. And I said, Dad, what's that got to do with us being late? He said, oh, I don't know. I don't know what. Were you late? And I was like, oh my God. But you know, when talking about that, it's funny. When they become grandparents, it's like they get dementia. Now that I have kids, for example, I walked into the lounge. My mum's sitting there watching TV, and my middle son's jumping up on the couch. Now my mum's watching TV like this. I got a shock. So I said to my son, Sepa, what for lalo? So you can let lalo lumaku ngai maka TV fakari ngai oi pe alu lumaku fali. Now for those who don't understand Samoan, all I said was, my blessed child. My gift from God. Please sit down or I'll hack you. Because the reason why it shocked me, because when I grew up, I wasn't even allowed to sit on the couch. I had to sit on the floor. So, but my mom got so upset. She got so upset. She was like, why you raise your voice to the camera like that? What does he ever do to you? Why you? I never raised my voice to you. I was like, are you serious, man? Not only did you raise your voice, you raised your hand, you raised your leg, you raised the ironing board at the back, you raised me up. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless.
I think we should give him one more big round of applause. Watu te Pakipaki Tōwhinga. Whawhetai, Tōwhinga. All right, we're going to get into our next. Are we having a good night, by the way? We celebrating? Yeah. Cool. The Hawke's Bay Soul Choir. They're going to bring us some soul classics from the 70s and 80s, as well as a couple of originals. Now, they enjoy the social connections they make in the choir and working on music that brings them and their audiences together. That's us tonight. They love sharing the joy of soul music with the community through our concert performances. And tonight, they're here to share their passion and connection with us as well. Please welcome to the stage the Hawke's Bay Soul Choir.
No mai haere mai te whānau. Ko mātou tēnei te Hawke's Bay Soul Choir. No mai whakatau mai. Look at them, aren't they fabulous?
Power, keep on flying. it out. Life is very short, and there's no time for fussing and fighting, my friend. I have always thought that it's a crime, so I will
Watu no Te Paki Paki, give them one more big round of applause. Always wanted to be in a choir. What about you? Is that us? Are we signing up? Oh, okay. Is that you, Auntie Ranty? Oh. What's that, sorry? They want to be in the choir, okay. Right. You can't go in the choir because you can't sing. Awesome. What school did you go to? What school did you go to? Yeah. Just choose one. Which one would you choose? Parkvale. Parkvale School. What's that, sorry? St. Joe's. Well, you wouldn't say St. Joe's because they could sing, you see. I'm sorry, let's bring that, no, shh. Present tense, they can sing. What year were you at St. Joe's? What year were you at St. Joe's? 3rd, 4th and 5th. Just as well you didn't have NCEA back then, just quietly. Kia haere tonu tātou. There's always one. Our next entertainers, Hemi Wong is a multi-talented singer who combines his Samoan, Māori, Chinese and Filipino heritage to produce his soulful sounds. But wait, there's more. Mahina Lawrence is a singer-songwriter, storyteller and artist rooted in Te Ao Māori, who has released a couple of EPs over the last few years. Tonight they are singing a classic duet originally made famous by Andrea Bocelli and Celine Dion. Please welcome to the stage Hemi Wong and Mahina Rangi Lawrence.
I pray you'll be our eyes and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu hai,
I pray you'll find your light
ora resterà
and hold it in our hearts.
ricordarci che
When stars go out each night,
terrai dentro di sé nella mia
let this be our prayer.
quanta fede c'è.
When shadows fill our way,
Lead us to a place,
guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be safe. Sogniamo un mondo
praise. Give us faith so we'll be saved. I see sign Sendo che ci
Why are we sitting down? Ladies and gentlemen, I think that was outstanding. Give them a big round of applause. I have heard many a version of that song, but I don't think, hand on heart, I've heard it sung that good. Very, very cool. Wow. All right. Oh, the All Blacks won, by the way, in case you're wondering. So we get to keep the bleeders low. Just got to worry about that other team now. Anyway, speaking of team, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to our finale. Oh, goodness me, we've got to go home sometime, don't we? Hei whakakapi I te pōnei, I tēnei pō ngaho. Get ready to be captivated by the extraordinary group that's coming onto the stage. They are a remarkable company and a beacon of Māori performing arts, dazzling audiences in Aotearoa and indeed around the world, with their vibrant tapestry of song, dance, and cultural heritage. They proudly showcase the exceptional talents of young Māori performers, many of whom hail from the renowned Taki Timu Performing Arts School, the first in New Zealand to offer a degree in traditional Māori arts. Their heartfelt performance, which we're about to see, invites you on an unforgettable journey of discovery and indeed celebration, honouring the rich beauty and depth of Māori traditions. Tonight, Kahurangi are truly honoured to stand alongside you all as we commemorate this incredible milestone together. Let the celebrations begin. Please welcome Kahurangi to the stage.
Come on!
whakanui ana. I tētahi kuia, ko mau e atu ki te pō. Ko tōna ingo, ko korimako. Eko, eko, te korimako eko. Ko tōna reo, he reo whakatena tena. Ko tōna reo, he reo whakapakari. Eko oira koe, eko koe ko punchi e. Anei rā tau aiata. Karaka mai, karaka mai. Karaka mai rā, karite.
item, we are going to demonstrate the use of two implements, the tirako and the poi. Kia ora.
Tirako. Kia ora. Ko tae mātou ki te mutunga o ngā mahi. Tātou katoa ki mai, ai, kua pau te wā ki a tātou. Ko te ingoa tō mātou kamupene, ko kahurangi. Ko te tikanga o tēnei kupu, he korowai no te toi huarewa. I mua i tā mātou wehe ngātu, me mihi kia koutou, e whakai mai, kia haere mai mātou, ki te whakangāhui a koutou i tēnei pō. Me mihi rā, ki ngā kai whakahaere o toi toi, tēnā paki paki mai kia rātou. Kātahi, kā rua, me tuku mihi ki ngā kaimahi, ki ngā kai whakahaere o te taiwhenua o here taunga. Hari huri tau kia koutou, o tēnei tō koutou pō, paki paki mai! Engari, e mihi nei kia koutou e te iwi Māori o Ngāti Kahungunu, koutou e paki paki mai, e ari taringa mai, e kata mai, mērā momo mea. E mihi nei te ngākau, ko te tumanakua kua tūtuki tā mātou kaupapa. Ko te waiata whakamutunga, ko kahurānaki. Nā reira, tēnā koutou, huri noa, tēnā koutou katoa.
Just like that, I'm back on the stage. Give another big round of applause to Kahurangi, e te whānau. I certainly hope that you have, just like me, enjoyed what an array of talent we had here tonight. Just so good, so good. So I'm just going to quickly remind ourselves, we had Taikura, we had the Mafia Dance Family, we had Times 3 Entertainment, we had Towhinga, we had the HB Soul Choir, we also had the amazing Hear Me Wong and Mahina Lawrence, and Kahurangi have just left the stage. Please make a big round of applause, make some noise. It's certainly been my pleasure and honour to host this evening, but we're going to hand it back to Lam, Waylon, Mare and Kane now for the final words.
Tēnā koe mai, mātai. You know, let's just put our hands together. I'm sure we've all had a fabulous night. of entertainment pleasure. Ho mai te paki ki a rātou, all of our entertainers, our performers, our artists, e whai atu i a tātou nei taonga, me ki te whakanui te kaupapa aha ko, te whā te kau ngātau, te tai whenua te pōnei. Just to say from both Waylon and myself and each and every one of the tai whenua, one that couldn't make it here tonight, and the first is an apology from our chairperson, Mike. He mihi kau ake kai wainga Ngāti Tūwhare tō me ki a tā tumu, te hiu. Arā me ki I raro I te kapua pauri, tātou piki te kaha, piki te ora, piki anō te māramatanga. Mai te timatanga, tai atu te tata te mutunga, mai Waylon, we just want to first of all acknowledge our great mātai, the MC, ho mai te paki iaia. And thanks for taking centre stage, Marcel. Give her a big clap or two as well. You know, we're coming close to the end, but look, you know, te kai o te rangatira, he kōrero, he waiata kia whakanui te kaupapa. Ara, me te kai kei muri rā, so whai atu tēnei wāhanga. We're going to invite you all for some nibbles. And so koki te puku pē. And so from us here to Tai Whenua, tūtera mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tūtera mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Where's that guitarist just to wrap ourselves up for this evening before I invite Lum? Oh, e tū tātou anyway. Kia o taputahi, kia o kotahi rā, tātou e. Oh e, tūtera mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e, whai a te māramatanga me te aro. E ngā iwi kia taputahi, kia kotahi rā, tātou e. Oh e, tātou, pūratia kia mau, hi au e hi. Whakakapi, kia tau, yeah.
Ai mihi anō kia koe, tēnei te rangatira, nā tētahi o nā toki, I timata ake te kaupapa te tai whenua. Mai muri e tōna waka, koe rā te whakaaro I puta mai. Hoi anō rā, ko koutou rā, te tino, wāwata, me rātau. Hoi anō rā, tēnei te mihi nei kia koutou, mai tēnei tira whakahaere, mai te kai hautsu, kia koutou, nō rei ka whakakapi tēnei wāhanga. Ka mutu, peka atu kai te rātaha, kia ātahare ki te kake te ringa, koe nā e kōrero whakatūpato ki a koutou. Nō rei mi ino e tātou. E te māngai ngāna hera whanau, e te toko toru tapu. Ko koutou rā e arahi a mātou I tēnei pua. Hoi anō, ho mai te taro kia piki te ora te kaha te māramatanga. Kia whakaungia mai anō tō koutou aroha noa, pahera tia anō mātou ki te rangi māri I ngā wākato, mā te māngai anō, hei āwhina mai, hei tau toko mai, ai anei, ake nei ai. Tuturu e rango whakamaua ki a Tina. Tina. Haumi e hui e. Taiki e. Anna.